What happens if I delete my Snapchat app? Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you what will actually happen if you delete your Snapchat application. So you can download your Snapchat application from the Google Play Store by searching Snapchat on the top search bar, and then you can tap on the install option if you haven't installed it. But after uninstalling your Snapchat, it won't happen anything. Your account will still be there. You just need to log into your Snapchat again and install your Snapchat again. All the friends will be right there. One thing that might happen is if you are a person that is maintaining streak, and if you uninstall your Snapchat, then your Snapchat streak might end. So that's what's gonna happen if you delete your Snapchat. Otherwise, nothing else would happen. So yes, you can simply uninstall it by going on the Google Play Store as well. So that's what happens when you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.